Ukuphuma kweziphehli zikagesi kanye nokwebiwa kwamakhebula e-roadblock yikona okube nomthelela omkhulu ekucishweni kukagesi. Umkhandlu dolobha uthi zikhona izinhlelo zokubhekana nalesi simo.
Cables were cut during load shedding. So when you have that kind of damage, it inevitably damages the water supply to the residents in the area because it's not load shedding. Simply the infrastructure is damaged.
Umkhandlu dolobha unethemba lokuthi kuzoba nabakhiqizi bamandla abazimele.
We are also looking at ways that we can reduce consumption of energy. For example, we are retrofitting street light with LED technology that will save between 3 to 5 times the energy of conventional street lights.
Ulinganiselwa ezigidini ezintathu zamarandi umonakalo owenzeke esiphehlini mandla sase-industria.
We are really running a very aging infrastructure. Probably almost about 30% of our infrastructure is old, so it needs to be replaced or revamped.
Osomabhizinisi bakhala ngokulahlekelwa kwabo. Umnikazi wesitolo senyama eBosmont uthi unikele ngenyama ebiza ikhulu lezigidi zamarandi.
You can see we almost have no customers. I have nothing on the shelves, nothing to sell. All my stock that was on the shelf, I needed to distribute it.
Nabantu bakuleli sebephelelwe isineke.
All my meat and cold foods that has gone off. I've got a 3-month-old baby, no water, hot water to feed the baby. My business here, I'm behind now with 10,000 rand to pay my staff.
I-Eskom ixwayise ngokwenyuka kwesigaba zokucisha konga ugesi kuleli sonto.